Hi, this is Joe with rhrswag.com, and today I'm going to show you how to install a Duha portable storage tote and gun lock box. We're going to start with installing the slide bracket first. We will put it together, and then we measured 6 inches from the end of the box to give us a little bit of room. It might vary per truck, so let's get started. First off, we're going to set together the slide bracket using these 4 screws. They are beveled, so once you tighten them, these will be straight. So we'll go ahead and do that. Next, we'll install these risers. Once you turn them all the way in, they will stop on this other deal, but I'm guessing they are adjustable, so you can raise it or lower it. So we decided to do a 6-inch gap from here to here. It might vary from pickup to pickup, but that's where we feel it'll fit the best on this one. You do have a couple options as far as bolting it down. You can use jack nuts with these bolts, or the self-tappers, which that's what we're going to use today. The next step is we're going to install stoppers it'll actually stop this from going all the way forward. You want to make sure you put your lock latch on as well. We're going to be putting this lock latch on. You want to make sure that the rounded edge is towards the cab of the pickup. So we'll go ahead and install that. Last step, I guess, is to make sure you got your bump stops on here, your slide rail. Flip this over.